Welcome to Easy English Lessons. In today's lesson, you will learn 100 of the most common English words that you will hear and use every day. Let's get started. I am happy. You are my friend. He is at work. She likes music. It is raining. We study together. They are playing outside. Me, please help me. Him, I know him. Her, I called her yesterday. My house is nearby. Your bag is blue. His car is new. Their children are happy. Our teacher is kind. This is delicious. That looks nice. These flowers are beautiful. Those birds are flying. Here, come here. There, the store is over there. Yes, I understand. No, thank you. Please sit down. Thank you for your help. Hello, how are you? Goodbye, see you tomorrow. Good, today is a good day. Bad, the weather is bad. Big, they have a big house. Small, I have a small dog. New, this is my new phone. Old, my grandfather is old. Hot, the coffee is hot. Cold, the water is cold. Happy, she looks happy. Sad, he feels sad today. Go, let's go home. Come with me. Eat, we eat dinner at 6. Drink more water. Sleep, I sleep 8 hours. Read, she likes to read books. Write your name here. Speak, can you speak English? Listen, please listen carefully. Walk, we walk every evening. Run, the children run fast. Work, I work every weekday. Study, they study English every day. Have, I have 2 brothers. Be kind to others. Do your homework. Make, let's make dinner. See, I see a bird. Know, I know the answer. Think, I think you're right. Want, I want some tea. Need, we need more time. Like, I like pizza. Love, they love their family. Live, we live in a small town. Find, can you find my keys? Give, please give me the book. Take your umbrella. Open the window. Close the door. Start, Let's start the lesson. Stop. Stop at the red light. Help. Can you help me? Time. What time is it? Day. Today is a beautiful day. Night. Good night. Morning. Good morning. Afternoon. Good afternoon. Evening. Good evening. Home. I'm going home. School. The school is nearby. House. Their house is white. Family. My family is very kind. Friend. She is my best friend. Food. The food smells great. Water. Please drink some water. Car. His car is clean. Book. This book is interesting. Phone. My phone is ringing. Money. I need some money. Job. She has a new job. City. The city is busy. Country. They love their country. Today. Today is Monday. Tomorrow. Tomorrow will be sunny. Yesterday. Yesterday was fun. Always. I always brush my teeth. Sometimes I watch TV. Never. He never gives up. Very. This lesson is very useful. Really. I really like English. Now. Let's begin now. Together, we can learn English together. Excellent work. You just practiced 100 of the most common English words used in everyday conversations. The best way to remember these words is to listen to this lesson again, repeat each word aloud, and practice using them in your own sentences every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to Easy English Lessons, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new English lesson. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.